Hello viewers, today I will teach you about the noun. Noun is a word which is used for name of person, place or anything. For example, Toyota Corolla, Barcelona, boy, girl, Shizuka, table, etc. But as you know, noun has different categories or you can say the types of noun. There are several types of noun. These are number one is common noun. Common noun, as you know, it's about the general or commonly names which we call. For example, boy, country, bridge, city, birth, day, and happiness. And it can be many more. These are the examples. Number two, second type of noun is proper noun. Proper noun is a name that identifies or tells you about a particular person, place, or anything. For example, USA. USA is a specific or you can say the particular noun which is the name of the country and it is a unique name. It cannot be the name of the other country because it's a proper noun and it's a particular noun. Number second is example is Thursday. Thursday, you know, there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. And these all are unique. None the Thursday can be the Monday, but if I talk about the common noun, a day which can be possible, it might be Thursday or Monday, or it can be any day from the 7 days of the week. So Thursday is a name of a day which is a particular or specific name. Third example is, for example, Dubai. Dubai is a name of state, you can say, and it's also the specific. And one thing you should have to always remember that write the proper noun with the capital letters. Okay, you can see in the example just like USA. Here every word is written with a capital letter starting word. It means United States of America. Thursday, here you can see the T is with a capital letter. It shows that these are all about the proper noun. Monday, M is capital. So these all are the examples and can be many more examples you can write. Number third category is concrete noun. Concrete noun, as you know, with the name you understand concrete, you know, the material or the things which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can see, which you can smell or hear or taste. So examples are here. For example, house. House is an example of you can touch the house, you can see the house, you can feel the house. So these all are the about the concrete noun. Second example is bridge. Third is cat, tree, rain, beach, etc. Next is about the abstract noun. Abstract noun is the different category which is about the things which or refers to the ideas, qualities or conditions which you cannot see or touch, or you cannot it does not have any physical reality or existence in the world, but it's about the feelings, it's about the internal sense, you can say. For example, truth. You cannot touch the truth, but truth is about the quality. So this can be the quality: danger, happiness, time, friendship, humor. It can be many more also. Now the next is collective noun. Collective noun you can easily understand by the word of collective. Collective means a group, grouping, grouping of any persons or things, you can say. For example, number one example is audience. Audience is a group of people you can see in the concert or other things. Family is a group of people living in the same house. Team is a group of persons which in which have you have for example for the cricket you have 11 or 12 players. Team, herd, fleet, these all are the words which are used for the collective noun or the group of things or people. Now the next is countable noun. Countable noun you can also understand by the name, it means counting. Counting of things, persons or places. For example, there books, you can count the books. There are 2000 books in this shop might be. Pencil you can count and bottles, fans, houses, buildings, bridges, laptops, mobiles. So these all things you can easily count. So this is about the countable noun. Next is about uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is about the those nouns which you cannot count. For example, water. You cannot count the water, but you can just weight or you can measure it. So this is all about the weighing the things, measuring the things in the liters, you can say in the meters, in the kgs, kilograms, but this is not, you cannot count them. For example, air you cannot count, gas, liquid, hairs of the human, you cannot count these. So this is about the nouns and their kinds. I hope you will understand these.